Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Design, and today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Linda King. She has asked me to review her books and show them on my channel. She does quote books, and she has sent me some. As y'all can see, I pre-opened, but I haven't looked at to see which books are in here. So let's pull all the books out. Sorry about that. And here are 3 books. The first one is The New Ultimate Guide to the Perfect Word, and they're all titled the same, I think. Yep. And this one, they're all poetry sayings, quotes, and wonderful, wise, and witty words. So this one has over 500,000 ultimate word books sold. So she's been pretty good with this one. And you can contact her, Linda King, on Facebook. Let me see if I can fix this to where you can read the actual words. There you go. Here's the name of this book here. And you can photocopy these and use them as collages. As long as you give her the credit, you can use them in your junk journals. You can use them in cards. You can use them in anything. Okay. So this is this one. This is the first book. Okay. Here's the second book. This one's over 200,000 sold. And then you have this one. Okay. This is the second edition. This one you can use on for cards. This is expressions, quotes, prose, poetic, I guess it's supposed to say poems, sentiments, and everything in this book. There's 200 or more pages of creative card making. And you see, she has it broken down into, Miss Linda, into different categories. I mean, I'm going to be using these books a lot. So, classy and creative card making, the ultimate guide the perfect card. That's this one. Here's the perfect word. And here's another one for the perfect word. Okay. Wow. They're showing true to color on camera. So y'all can, I'm going to leave the link to her Facebook down below in the description box and in the comment section. And, I mean, you know, and this is a guide, the ultimate guide to the perfect word. Sorry about that. And look at that. See how, I mean, you got, she has it broken down into different sections. Okay. There's no title page, I don't think. Oh, here's the title, table of contents. You can see all the different pages in the book, and you know the different sections that she has in it. And this book, the copyright is I think she wrote them all the same year. I'm not sure. Okay, here's all the years that she's done the printing and everything. It's all down here, and I think it's in each book. Let me see. I think the printing of each book, this one I don't think has it. Nope. So this one doesn't have the listings like for the printings. And this one's 2007. Okay. And this one, again, the table of content. Copyright 2013. But she has a lot, I mean, a lot of different things in here. You see, you can use some scrapbooks, art journals, crafts. I mean, card making, stamping, and scrapbooking. I mean, you have it all in here. So if y'all like, I will link her down below. I will list her name down below in the comment section. And y'all can contact her in order to purchase these books. I mean, I've purchased other books from her, but I can't seem to find them. So, I want to thank you all for watching. And be kind, be blessed, stay safe, stay crafty, be crafty. And I hope you all go and check her out and get her books. And I will say this, as usual, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. I'll see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.